What is up, everybody? Let's try that now. I have my mic in. Um, this is Breezy's World. My name is Breezy, and if you're new here, hit that like button. I want you to comment your favorite beach clothing hack that you love. Subscribe and ring that bell for notifications. I really want y'all to help me grow this channel. You don't have to, but I'm just asking in general. um, but anyway, if you're going to the beach this summer, you're probably trying to figure out what do I need to pack, and do I need to overpack or should I underpack? Well, here's the thing: are you an overpacker or are you an underpacker? For me personally, I'm a mixture of both. Um, I'm gonna say more of an overpacker just to be honest with y'all, but I'm just gonna say that. But anyway, I'm gonna go over some summer clothing must packs whenever you're going to the beach. First on our list is a swimsuits and swim trunks. For the ladies, are swimsuits. That's a given, right? For the summertime. You can probably take it in the fall and winter too. It'll probably be colder, but to each their own. Shorts. Shorts come. You don't want to wear pants. If you go to the beach during summer and you're wearing pants and it's July or August, it's gonna be hot. When I say hot, hot. I live in Alabama and it gets hot. Um, Overall dresses. Okay, I love these things. I'm not gonna lie to you. I'm obsessed with overalls, especially overall dresses. They're nice and fun and playful. They're less time consuming, but they're so chic. I think of the bowl type with Jane. There's an overall dress outfit. I'm gonna see if I can find it, stick it in here. Um, but I love it. Um, to me, it's just so fun, so playful. But yes, but if you're curious, you can go type the bowl type, and you can type Jane's overall dress on outfit, and it will show what I'm talking about. Um, Overall shorts. Okay, yes, I know I'm going a little bit overboard to overalls, but I love overall shorts. I have like a 4th of July patriotic overall shorts with the fabric is so comfortable. When I say comfortable, comfortable. I don't wear it just for the 4th. I wear it that whole summer. Possibly sometimes in the fall till I get ready to put my winter clothes back up. Because I do live, like I said, I live in Alabama. I get all 4 seasons in one day, so it's hard to tell what to wear half the days. Even though I try to plan it every weekend and try to go ahead and plan it out. Sandals, flip flops. If you're like me, flip flops are a must for me, or sandals, because I hate shoes. I'm gonna tell you that. I really, really hate shoes. When I get in a vehicle, they somehow slip right off me if I'm the passenger. Don't know how that happens. A swimsuit cover. A swimsuit cover, yes. But if you bring like a overalls dress, overall shorts, planet shirt, something like that, or a t-shirt, it is so much cheaper and so much cuter too, in my opinion. Flannel shirts. Okay, even if you're a ginger like me, or you sunburn easily, or you just want to look cute, put a flannel shirt over that swimsuit. You're gonna look cute. I'm telling you. A t-shirt. Yes, a t-shirt is a must, especially when you get that sunburn on you. I do point at me on that one. I do. I'm gonna go over a video for some hacks too on that later, but a sundress, perfect like when you want to be cute, all nice and girly, and like do a little date night with the boyfriend, husband, or whatever. Button up shirts for the men. You men know what I'm talking about. Ladies, I know you do too. Like the Patagonia shirts. Oh my gosh, I actually love those shirts. I do look like those shirts on men. They look so nice. Um, Sunglasses. That's just a given. A beach hat. That should be a given as well. See, I think of like the I love the icons when it comes to fedora hats and all that, so it just works out perfectly. Dresses, as I said. Skirts. So easy, so playful. Don't want a swimsuit cover? Fine, just put a skirt on, you're good to go. Shorts, as I said. Alright, y'all. That's it for today's video. I will see y'all next time.